fine.
It is here to find out.
Are you ready to listen and participate in my discussions?
Yes.
Okay, good to know. Not before, but first, let's have classroom lively reader.
Have respect for everyone in the class. Actively participate in discussions.
Never hesitate to ask questions. Nurture creativity and critical thinking. Always submit tasks on time. Help each other grow and learn.
So, in order for us to have a meaningful classroom and discussions, I want you all to actively participate in my discussions, and we should respect each other and also to have a good relationship.
Okay, ma'am.
So first, let's have our activity. Wala na ko siya gibutang mag-iway ka na. Ang akong kabuhat lang kay ka na. Pero siya bitay, but I don't want the word bitay. Gusto ko ka ng star, ako isuan. And then, ipag-guess na ko, tulo siya ka words. Muna siya ang type sa portfolio. So, just give me letters. And then, i-guess it ko.
Butang mo daan. P.
So, isa lang.
P.
Okay?
Kailangan, for twist, kailangan nga ni sign language.
Ano? Ikunin daw, line mo. Ito yung line daan. O bilang ka ba?
Ako niya na pupunta ko lang kung maka-receive na ito.
Bilang, linya sa word. Linya sa word. Uy, bilang ka letter. Onsi man ito na. Ay, respect. Sorry, ma'am. Respect. Sorry, ma'am. Love each other. Love you. Wala gil, wait, no? Pwede bang
Sige.
Okay, asa mo to?
Ang ginahan na tayo sa itong lipan. Dulo sa una lang. Isa lang ako. Benda.
Hala!
I changed my mind.
P.
Christabel.
Oh.
Wait, P, right?
S. Number 1 pa man na. Number 1 pa.
Number 1 pa na, ma'am. Portfolio.
Corelia.
Student. H.
Puting student. Na, oh. Oh! Oh!
Working sheet.
Oh, oh.
Working.
Ma'am, oh, ma'am.
Schedule.
Oh, E.
Working. Schema. Hardworking.
Answer sa H day.
Oh. Ay, okay, dilihan ako. Showcase, di ba?
Galing mo, Ting.
Working showcase. Portfolio.
Oh.
Portfolio. Performance. Yeah. Ina.
Practice na.
R.
ROCESS. Processes.
Agoy, wait, yun.
Oh.
Wait, oy, sabi yun, sabi mo.
Oh.
Side. Ay, tapos yung number 5. Procedure.
Procedure. Adilay.
Balance. Di, oy, di mo na. User. Ay, uday na. Process.
NN.
Profile.
Progress.
Progress guys.
Ala, Arman. Ik. Bro, space.
Boy.
Sa kilid. Kilidan.
Portfolios.
So first, let's have our learning activities. So the end of the lesson, you students were able to identify different kinds of portfolios, appreciate the importance of portfolios in tracking progress and improvements, and lastly, when you create this next, let's have a reflection based on the given guidelines. So what is portfolio? Say,
The collection of our... Di mo ma... Ay, ready?
Collection of work.
Collection?
Gusto mo parang
What is a portfolio?
Gulit mo ko sa ano. What is na ko sa rin para di mo?
Ang portfolio?
Let's have a variety.
Agaray?
What is your variety?
Agaray.
For me, portfolio is a collection of work. Important papers na ana yung may ipang keep yung mga important documents for archiving.
Yes, so can we read the kami tanan? Yes.
Is a collection of work that
Advance, progress, or learning experiences. It is only used in education and business and creative fields that demonstrate growth and accomplishments over time. So, saying sa dito ni Heaven, no, kani portfolio is kanang same as yung ginawa na kami ikutan nato sa folder ba na ilang compile at yung mga activities, at yung mga works or even projects. So there are 3 types of portfolios: the working, showcase, or progress portfolio. So kindly read the working portfolio.
working which is
Working portfolio.
working portfolio is also known as teacher's portfolio. As the name implies, it is a project at work. It contains the work in progress as ano mo basa yun?
Buo ko, feel diri.
Activities done by the student or like an activities done by the student. Stages of learning provide the learners and grow. This is the difference of the commanders and the
So working portfolio is also known as teacher-student portfolio. Ang working portfolio daw is kanang work in progress production. So kita nga na ay progress ang imuhang portfolio daw kanang na process it includes unfinished tasks or kanang completed works. So kanang unfinished tasks like kanang say how can mo portfolio is kanang mga drafts. Kanang mga drafts is kanang mga completed works po. So kanang completed works mo na ang mga revision. So imo ipakita ang mga drafts. At the same time, na mo lang yung mga